In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Box to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have your Box files ready to use right inside ChatGPT so you can reference documents, collaborate, or summarize content without jumping between tabs. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click your profile icon there to open the main menu. From that menu, select Settings. This is where you control your account preferences and manage any connections that extend ChatGPT's capabilities. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. This area is designed specifically for discovering and managing integrations. Open it, then choose Explore Apps, or you might see an Add More button depending on your interface. Both options take you to the same place where you can browse available apps. In the app directory, look for a search bar. Click into it and type Box. You should see the Box integration appear in the results. Select it to open the app's details page, then click Connect. This starts the linking process between ChatGPT and your Box account. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions. A new window may open asking you to sign into Box if you aren't already. You'll likely be prompted to grant permission so ChatGPT can access your Box files as needed. Take a moment to review what's being requested, confirm it looks right for your use case, and proceed. If you manage more than one Box account, double-check you're connecting the correct one. When the prompts are complete, you'll return to ChatGPT and the connection will be active. That's the entire setup. A couple of quick tips to make things smoother. Make sure pop-ups aren't blocked in your browser, since the Box sign-in may open in a separate window. If you don't see the Apps section or the Explore Apps button, you might be on a plan or workspace where app access is limited, so check with your administrator if applicable. And if the connection doesn't complete on the first try, refresh the page and try again. Most issues resolve with a clean sign-in. Once connected, your Box integration is ready to use the next time you work with content that lives in Box. You can always return to Settings and the Apps area later to review or manage your connection. That's all there is to it. Click your profile, open Settings, go to Apps, Explore, search for Box, tap Connect, and follow the prompts. You're set up and ready to go.